Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Appa Public School online session. I am Rashmi and she is my colleague Ashwini RK. We are your EVS teachers.
This is the second video of chapter 11 Our Festivals.
In the previous video, I have explained this lesson in detail.
And today we will do an activity on this chapter.
So children, before starting the activity, let us recall the points what we have learnt in this lesson.
We learned that what are festivals.
A festival is a special day when people are happy and they celebrate.
In India, we celebrate many festivals. Different festivals are celebrated in different ways.
We celebrate festivals with our friends and family.
Festivals bring happiness, joy, and add colors to our lives.
We celebrate many festivals. Yes or no, children? Yes. Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purab, Ramzan, and many more.
We also celebrate some special days such as Teachers' Day, Children's Day, our birthday, and many more.
We wear new clothes. Yes or no, children? We wear new clothes and decorate our homes during festivals.
We also make sweets and cook special food. We pray and visit places of worship.
We also visit our friends and relatives and exchange gifts.
We have a lots of fun during the festivals.
In all, festivals mean
Holidays,
fun,
feasts,
gifts,
new clothes,
singing and dancing with friends and family. In our country, we celebrate mainly two types of festivals.
they are national festivals and religious festivals.
National festivals are, yes, tell me, Republic Day
Independence Day
and Gandhi Jayanti are called national festivals as they are important for the whole country.
national festivals are celebrated all over India.
Republic Day.
India became a republic on 26 January 1915.
Yes, every year a grand parade is organized at Rajpath, India Gate in New Delhi.
Independence Day.
When we celebrate Independence Day, children, remember those days? Yes, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year.
Our country became free from the British rule on this day in the year 1947.
Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort.
The great leaders who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country are remembered on this day.
Next one is Gandhi Jayanti.
On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year.
Gandhiji was a freedom fighter. Yes or no, children? Who is called the father of our nation? Yes, remember? Yes, I told you, no? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We celebrate this day in the memory of his sacrifices done for the country.
Next, we will learn about religious festival.
Yes, children, remember? Yes, during some festivals we go to temple, mosque, church and
Gurudwara to pray.
yes, these festivals are connected to religions. So they are known as religious festivals.
Religious festivals are celebrated by people of different religions.
Some common religious festivals celebrated in our country are
Diwali,
yes, tell me, remember Diwali, what do we will do, children? Yes, we will burn crackers, we will eat sweets, yes or no, children? Yes, Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, people worship goddess Lakshmi. People decorate their houses and wear new clothes, yes or no, children? They also exchange sweets and burst crackers. Eid.
Eid is a festival that makes the end of the Ramzan. Ramzan is the holy month in which Muslims keep fast on the day of the festival. Muslims gather in large group at the mosques, and after their prayers called namaz, also a sweet dish called sevai is cooked. Christmas.
Then Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. It is the birthday of, yes, remember, Jesus Christ, yes. Then churches are decorated beautifully. People decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts with loved ones. Next one is Guru Purab.
Guru Purab festival is celebrated by Sikh people. Guru Purab is mark the birthdays of the 10 Sikh Gurus. Gurudwaras are decorated beautifully. People wear new clothes and visit Gurudwaras.
Then children, we also celebrate Holi, Bihu, Lohri, Onam, Chhat Puja, Pongal, Ganesh Chaturthi, Raksha Bandhan and many more. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. Okay children, ready? You have to give your answer in yes or no.
Okay, the first question is Diwali is called the festival of colors. Yes or no? Can you guess?
What is the answer? No. Which is the correct answer? Holi. Holi is called the festival of colors. Next one is Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the correct answer? Yes or no?
Yes, we celebrated this day as a Children's Day.
Next.
Question number 3 is Muslims fast for 30 days in the month of Ramadan. Yes or no?
Tell me children. Yes or no? Yes. Muslims fast for 30 days in the month of Ramadan. Yes. So next one is Onam is a popular festival of Tamil Nadu. Listen. Onam is a popular festival of Tamil Nadu. Yes or no?
No.
Ah,
Onam is a popular festival of Kerala.
then
Next is Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Yes or no?
Yes, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. What kind of festival is it, children? Huh? Now, let us learn to categorize the different kinds of festivals with the help of model. Okay, children? Let's start. See here children, this is the model. We are doing activity. Okay children, let's start.
So this is a part of a model, and here description box. We will place some flashcards here and will identify whether the festival is national festival or religious festival or it is a special day with the help of picture cards.
Okay children, see here, national festivals are important for the whole country. They are celebrated all over India. Religious festivals.
During some festival, Hindus go to temple, Muslims go to mosque, Christians go to church, and Sikhs go to Gurudwara to pray. These festivals are connected to religions, so they are known as religious festivals.
Then special day. We also celebrate some special day. Yes or no children? Like Children's Day. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Teachers Day. It is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. And we celebrate our birthday. It is also a special day, no children? And we also celebrate many other special days. Let's start.
See children, I'll read these flashcards for you. You have to identify whether it is national festival or whether it is religious festival or whether it is special day.
Okay.
This day is celebrated as one of the most important event in schools and colleges. It is celebrated on the 5th of September every year in India. Our country's second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary is celebrated on this day. The academic scholars and achievers in education field are honored with national awards on this day. Which day is this?
Remember children? Which
Can
day
you
is
guess?
this?
We'll check.
Yes. It is a special day. Teachers' Day is a special day. Correct. Next one is, listen here. This day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. This day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. On this day, our Prime Minister will take part in the flag hoisting held at Red Fort, New Delhi. India got its freedom from the British rule on this day. We celebrate this day by singing most of the patriotic songs in schools and colleges. Which day is this? Tell me children, which day is this? Yes.
We'll check whether it is Children's Day.
See here children.
No.
No, it is not a Children's Day.
We'll check.
See.
Yes.
Yes, it is a
National
festival. Independence Day is a national festival. Then next one.
Next flashcard is, this day is celebrated every year on 14th November. This day is the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. On this day, schools will conduct so many fun activities and reward students with gifts. Which day is this? Identify children. Which day is this?
Yes? Yes, it is a Children's Day. See.
It is a special day. Okay, we celebrate as a Children's Day.
So next, Muslims celebrate this festival. Muslims fast between sunrise and sunset for 30 days during this festive season. Muslims read the Quran and do charity work during this month. On this festival day, they eat special sweet called Sevaiya. Which festival is this, children? Yes, any guesses? Which festival is this? Yes?
Whether it is national festival, whether it is religious festival, or
Or
whether
a
it
special
is
day.
special day. We'll check. Yes, it is religious festival.
Okay, children? Next.
This festival is called as the Festival of Lights. On this day, houses and shops are decorated with lights and lamps. People wear new clothes and worship Goddess Lakshmi on this day. The bursting of firecrackers is a part of this festival. Which festival is this? Guess, children.
Whether it is a national festival or religious festival or a special day. Which festival is this? Can you categorize?
Diwali. We will check. Yes, Diwali is a religious festival. On this day, we enjoy a lot.
So next one is this festival is celebrated every year on 25th of December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Santa Claus presents gifts for children during carol rounds. People go to church to worship Jesus Christ. On this day, delicious cakes are prepared at home. Which festival is this, children? Yes, tell me. Which festival is this?
Whether it is national festival, whether it is religious festival, or whether it is special day. We'll identify with this picture. Yes, it is religious festival.
Christmas is religious festival. Okay?
Next is, this festival is celebrated as the birth anniversary of 10 Sikh Gurus. This day is a holiday for fellow Sikh brothers. People go to Gurudwaras to offer their prayers on this day. It is widely celebrated in state of Punjab. Can you guess this festival? Which festival is this?
Which festival is this? Yes, Guru Purab. Guru Purab is which type of festival, children? Yes, it is a religious festival. So, next. This festival is celebrated on the 26th of January every year. On this day, the Constitution of India came into effect. The Indian Army performs parade in Delhi. In school and colleges, we celebrate this day by hoisting our national flag and by performing march past. Which day is this, children? Yes, tell me, which day is this? Yes, it is a Republic Day. On this day, we hoist the national flag and our national flag, and by performing march past. On this day, we will do. Yes or no, children? Our principal will hoist the national flag in our school. Remember those days, children? Yes or no? Yes. Then,
Republic Day is a national festival.
so children, I am going to ask you some questions based on this activity. Okay, children?
The festival of Christmas is celebrated on option A is December, option B is November, option C is October.
Which is the correct answer, children? The festival of Christmas is celebrated in. And the answer is option A, December. In December, we celebrate Christmas. The next one, Republic Day is celebrated as national festival, religious festival, or special day. See here, children, the answer is here only. See, Republic Day is celebrated as
National festival. Republic Day is celebrated as national festival. Question number 3 is special dish is prepared on Eid. Is option A is laddu, option B is sevai, option C is jalebi.
Which is the correct answer, children? Option A, option B, or option C? Which is the correct answer? Yes, option B. A special dish prepared on Eid is sevaiya. Next, children, and today's home assignment is you have to draw the picture of Indian national flag. Okay, children, you have to draw the picture of the Indian national flag and you have to color it. Okay?
I hope you have understood the lesson by doing this activity. Thank you.
Thank you.